Now for all of my friends out there who also enjoy eating and shopping in 5 Points, we've got an update on that major road safety project going on there that's been underway since April, causing a few headaches along the way. News 19's Walker Lawson explains how work is going and when it's expected to be finished.
Well, I'll be honest, it's frustrating the week before Christmas to have a major construction project going on that is taking all of the parking spots in front of our building.
Cones, no parking signs, and fencing remain up through 5 Points as work continues on the 5 Points Safety Improvement Project. For Ben Adams, when he looks out the window of All Good Books, all he sees are no good parking spots.
We've seen sales down drastically this year. We're just hopeful that this will be over really soon so we can kind of resume business as normal. But
while 5 Points is currently a construction zone, the area is set to transform into a more pedestrian-friendly space. By April, 5 Points will look like this. It will feature multiple crosswalks and new medians. It will also include a bike lane and a reduction of Hardin Street from 4 lanes to 2, making the area safer for both pedestrians and drivers. State Representative Seth Rose says he understands the temporary inconvenience, but believes the end result will be worth it.
You know, obviously, whenever you have any type of road project, there's going to be impacts. You have to do the work, and there's going to be disturbance in that area. But when this project's finished, it's really going to be incredible. It's going to slow down traffic to where people can window shop, feel like you can send your kids down to get an ice cream and they're not going to get run over on a 4-lane highway with people going 55 miles an hour through what we know as a historic village.
Rose says most of the work will be complete by next month, with the finishing touches happening in the spring.
They're going to blacktop it and give fresh paint to it, and that'll happen when the weather's nicer in the spring. So that technically is when the project's going to finish. However, for all intents and purposes, all the work should be completed easily by the end of January.
Walker Lawson, News 19, WLTX.
And Representative Rose also says that he secured funding for a future project on Divine Street. Now, according to SCDOT, the project will be complete by summer. They say that traffic signals and the pedestrian signal upgrades are planned to be done in the spring as well.